Hello friend, in this tutorial we are going to discuss about trim, L trim, and B trim functions. Okay, let's see one by one. Let's see first trim function. Okay, okay, first this trim function remove the longest string that contain a specific character from a string, and this L trim function remove all characters and spaces by default from the beginning of a string. This alt trim remove all character and spaces by default from the end of the string, and this B stream is the combination of both. Remove all the character and spaces by default from the left and right of the string. Okay, let's see the first trim. Syntax is select, and inside this select followed by trim function. Inside this it may be leading or it may be trailing, or it may be both. And character that we want to or space character or space that we want, and from string that we want to remove from the string. This is the syntax of trim function. Okay, let's see it with the help of example. The example is select, suppose, let's see with the space by default, select trim, that is leading, suppose first leading from the string is space. Wow, PostgreSQL. Wow, PostgreSQL. And that's it. Okay, now let's close this and comma. Let's see next again. Now let's see next. Now in first string I have used leading. Okay, let's use trailing and both also here, so that we can understand how it works. Okay, leading spelling is correct. Trailing from s, and both from. Okay, from PostgreSQL. Suppose make space on both side of this, and this also make space on both side, and this also, as this is result as suppose leading, so we can understand what which is the result and what was the result. The result is belong to from which category. Trailing, as trailing, and this is the first function, just trim function, and as both. That's it. Let's run the query. Let's see. Yes, it will work. It is work. Okay. Okay, if I copy this, here you can see that there was a first on both side, but the leading deleted by default all space from the left side, and trailing deleted all space from the right side, and wow PostgreSQL deleted space from both side. Okay, let's copy so we can see that. in front of leading, the result of leading is this right side space is deleted. If I copy this trailing and paste from trailing, paste in front of trailing, you can see that the right side space is deleted. And if I copy this both and copy and paste it here, you can see that the both side space is deleted. So how this function work like this. Okay, let's see with the let's see with the another example. Suppose we want let make it as it is, copy and paste it here. Leading from the string is suppose not a space now. The number from the number 000223344. Oh, sorry, 00022233444. Now here 000 oh, number and 000 here 000 some number and 000. Let's do leading. Let's leading followed by the syntax. Do you remember syntax? Leading followed by the character and from string. The character is here 0, suppose 0, and trailing also from 0, and both also from 0. Let's run this query. Oh, integer does not exist. Okay, make it character or string. These are string function, so that this is not available for integer. It work fine. Here you can see that all the zeros from all where will be deleted. It delete leading zeros, it delete trailing zeros, it delete both zeros, both side zeros. That's it. How trim function work, you know that. Okay, let's see that how that the remaining three function work: L trim, R trim, and B trim. Okay, let's see. Suppose select L trim, and the string is suppose start with same letter and end with same letter. Suppose yummy, and we need to L trim from character Y. Okay, comma, same with R string, same with R trim function. The string is same, all are same. Okay, let's copy it and paste it down here 2 times for L trim, R trim, and B trim is for both trim. Y, and Y. Okay, let's run this. See the result. Okay, there are 3 columns: L trim, R trim, and okay. Here you can see that leading Y is deleted in first left trim, and trailing Y is deleted in R trim, and both Y is deleted from B trim, both the trim. Now you can understand. Now you will understand the how trim function work and how L trim B trim function work. Okay, that's it. Thank you.